Oh, they're not even, I don't even know you. That's funny. I don't know him either. What the hell? I don't know him. I was thinking the same thing.
He's going down now.
I don't know, I think Christian took it out. Did he?
Yeah, he got to the top. He's like,
oh, really?
yeah.
Aw.
That shit is fun as hell. Yeah, that's so fun. I'm about to redo it.
No, we didn't take it out yet. Not yet.
Okay, come over here though.
Hey, get out of the video.
I think that guy moved out of your way. I did a minute's worth of recording on people I didn't even know because I was waiting for you guys and it wasn't you guys.
Yeah. Why? Brutal.
Jen, you went down it?
Yeah, I know. I'm like so pissed. I went up there and I just didn't even look. I was like,
How did you do that? Not me.
Nikki does this all the time.
All right, this is make or break for him right now. Christian.
We thought there was
What?
Ronnie.
Christian's doing this? I don't like that.
There's absolutely nothing wrong with this slide.
Sorry.
Who was that?
Here he goes. Come on, buddy. You got this.
I'm so nervous my heart hurts.
Who's on it?
I wasn't that confident.
Again, you feel like your legs are like...
Yeah!
Just landed like a fish.